Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Foon. We're joined by Bloomberg's Natalia Kanian-Javich. Natalia, what are you looking at today?
Hi, guys. First, I'm looking at shares of Pfizer. The ticker is PFE. Shares are down by 5.4% as the company said it expects little to no sales growth next year. So revenue in 2026 is expected to be between $59.5 to $62.5 billion. Sales are expected to be at $62 billion. So basically, we do know that Pfizer shares are kind of struggling to gain momentum as demand for COVID-19 drugs is fading, and there is a lot of competition across other drugs. So we do also know that the company is executing or trying to execute a big cost-cutting effort. It targets more than $7 billion in savings by 2027, and most of which it expects to complete next year. On the bright side, however, we know that the company is trying to acquire more businesses, especially in obesity drug segment.
All right, second stock?
Yes. So the next stop is Stubhub. The ticker is STUB. Shares are down by almost 6% today. Analysts from Citizens downgraded the stock. They cited competition and regulations. So first of all, they said that there is a big headwinds coming from competition with Vivid Seats for the market share, and then also regulation, guys. There is a push to restrict resold tickets. So, for example, the UK ministers plan to ban the resale of tickets for live events above the original cost. So the stock is down, by the way, by more than 40% since its IPO.
Not bueno. Okay. One more.
PayPal, the ticker is PYPL. The shares are up by almost 2%. Now, this comes as the company applied to become a bank in the United States. For some analysts, this move is logical because PayPal is already participating in the lending business, and some other analysts are just citing favorable regulatory environment. However, the timeline is uncertain, so to some analysts, it could take several years.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.